Hello, this is Munir. Welcome to our security series. The topic of this episode is safety. Right, safety is essential for WinCC OA, which is why we hold a certificate according to the IEC 61508 standard. IEC 61508 covers the entire safety lifecycle from design, implementation, operation to maintenance. This standard emphasizes risk assessment, system validation, and the use of safety integrity levels, SILs, to ensure safety operation of safety-related systems. WinCC OA can be used together with safety-related systems, up to a safety integrity level of 3, SIL 3. But as a SCADA system, WinCC OA is not a safety-related system by itself, and no direct part of the equipment under control. The actual control of the equipment to ensure safety must be done by a more basic control system that is specifically designed for safety tasks. That's the reason we talk about WinCC OA providing safety support functions. So, how can you implement safety in your WinCC OA project? For the entire automation project, you should conduct a hazard and risk analysis and define the needed safety integrity level. To mitigate these identified hazards and risks, you need to configure WinCC OA so that it complies with the recommended or mandatory basic and operational condition provided in the WinCC OA safety manual. Okay, let's have a look how your project will benefit from WinCC OA safety. When building a large system that will be certified by a technical inspection authority, then this certification process for the entire system is more straightforward when using safety certified components like WinCC OA. A safety certified component will be trusted more and a high quality standard is given. Or let's take source code testing, for example. Source code testing is a key activity in achieving IEC 61508 certification. And you know, they really require you to test every single part of your source code. And the test coverage must be next to 100%. All the help you need so that you can reach your safety requirements can be found in our WinCC OA safety manual. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to follow us on LinkedIn and YouTube and visit our WinCC OA website. See you soon. Bye.